Hello guys, Lux Trigger here, and along with me is Henry, who's gonna be my co-host for the video. I apologize guys, I haven't been uploading lately because I've been working a lot, saving up money, and one of the reasons why I've been working a lot is to buy the new Xbox, which is Xbox Series S. As you guys know, the stocks of the Xbox Series X and S are always, like they're running out all the time every time you check the stores. Count myself as lucky because, I kept on checking the website, the stores, everywhere else for like 2 months now. And every time I check it, they run out. And yeah, actually now I got one. So I'm very happy right now. And tomorrow's Christmas as well. Christmas Eve, I mean. It's nearly Christmas. And we're gonna move downstairs to do the unboxing. So let's go.
Thumbnail! Hello, 17% lagi. Quick, you've got 16% to go through.
Oh,
Yeah. Hey, 15% now. Hey guys, excuse the background noise. It's the washing machine, and this thing just contributes to the sound as well. The box for the Xbox Series X just arrived, and my brother's gonna be doing the unboxing. So enjoy the show, guys.
Alright guys, hello. Hello there as well. Finally we got the Xbox One S. I was planning to get the Series X, but you know what's the situation like right now. I feel lucky I got the S because, I was just like using a website.
Was it very?
No, it was like a website that tracks the stocks.
Oh, but did you buy it off?
It's not
Very,
bought, by
though?
the way. I'm not a scalper or anything. I just like, you apply to that website, it notifies you when there's a stock, and it tells you where to get them as well. So I got this from Very, which is
How much is it?
a store in the UK, like website.
It's an online.
Online store.
It's like Amazon, but like
Yeah,
more exclusive to Britain.
yeah. I spent 300 something pounds.
And we'll
Including
put.
this one. This is an extra controller, which is a bundle along with this
Yeah,
console. Without further ado, let's open it.
let's go.
Love the fancy knife that for the unboxing videos. Ta-da! Looks less impressive than the Series X actually.
It really is significantly smaller than the.
It's a budget console. That's what I would call it. Oh, it's actually heavier than. Wait, it looks like.
I thought it'd be lighter.
No.
I mean,
It looks smaller, but it's actually powerful from the previous Xbox, obviously.
Brother agrees.
Power your dreams. I'm really hoping that this would upgrade my experience of my gameplay for Cyberpunk. 'Cause I've been having a lot of frame rate drops. I know the bugs will still exist until they fix it.
For sure, graphics quality will be much better.
Here, the controller should be here. Yeah, this is the controller here.
Oh wow, you've got two controllers?
So yeah, I got two controllers. It was a bundle. Here's the controller. I'm gonna show you the
Comparison.
Xbox One controller. As you can see,
So that's the newest model, and that's the older model.
yeah,
As you can see, the D-pad looks a bit different.
I'm just gonna show it to you that way as well, that perspective.
No change, pretty much.
No
It's just
change.
the D-pad.
And that's the back there.
I prefer the older one.
This feels a bit more clunky. This one's like quite smooth. I don't know, it's probably because it's new. And buttons. I think this is the share button, this one. That's the share button. And there's, as you can see, there's three
It
in
does
it.
have some new features.
Yeah, so that's the controller. Oh, what's this for? Oh, HDMI cable. And then I don't think there's any power adapter now, so yeah, that's good because the previous Xbox had a very bulky power adapter with it, so it's a good upgrade. That there's also a AA battery, just to tell you. I'm gonna be unplugging this. Actually, look at the power button, guys. I think you actually have to press it now.
If it's the same mechanism as the last one, where it's just like touch,
You just touch it and then like accidentally turn it off. or
turns
on.
it off, like our dog when he passed.
Oh yeah, our
through
dog.
it.
He was playing a MOBA game.
Had a full rage.
Oh my god. Okay guys, I took out the my old Xbox, the day one version of it. And as you can see, this is the size of it. I'm gonna put it on top so you could tell the difference, how small it is right there. That's how small it is. And to think that this is a bit more powerful than the old one. And that's the back. There's a power port, storage port, that one, HDMI, 2 USB ports, an Ethernet port, and there's another one here, USB port, and then that's for the syncing button for the controller. And I believe the storage ports cost like £200 in here in the UK from what I saw. And these are the vents here. But the thing with the Xbox Series S is that you could stand it up like that. It's quite nice, and you could also put it like that. Compared to this one, it should only stay like this.
Position.
Yeah. And there's vents on each side, the USB ports here, and as we said earlier, you just touch this, it'll turn on or off, which is annoying. Now you have to like actually press it. Okay guys, we've installed the setup. For now, I'm gonna do the cable management. As you can see, that's the Xbox over there, and here's the screen. I don't understand anything right now. I think we have to use the app to link my account straight away here, and all the games as well. So yeah, I'll be right back guys. I've set the Xbox up now. I'm just trying to update the console. Okay guys, after everything that needs setting up, I've done it. It's been like 30 minutes now, and here we go. All set up, account signed in. I don't know if my games are here. Let's check. Nope, I think I have to reinstall everything. I really thought that you could like install them. Okay guys, I've just done downloading Cyberpunk, which is the first game that I installed in this console, because I had to reinstall everything, all the apps and the games that I want to use. And I'm quite impressed actually. In the base Xbox One, it was like very grainy, and now it's quite very sharp. Like you could really tell the difference. It's quite hard to see in the screen, but dang. I would say I'm really glad I bought the console guys. I know it's quite hard to get them right now, but I just got lucky. What I would say is just to go to a website that checks the stocks all the time, wherever you are. Like, you know, I use the UK website that checks the stocks, and I just got notified that there's a stock of Xbox One Series X. When I end the video there guys, I just wanted to show you my new Xbox Series S console, and you know, I'm quite happy that I purchased it. I'm gonna end the video there now. Okay guys, see you in the next one. Bye.